So, hello and welcome to Excel BI Challenge 118. Something about decimal and binary numbers. Let's have a look. So, will it open? Oh yeah, it is already open. So, we need to convert the binary numbers into decimal numbers. Okay, that's easy and not easy because there's the bin. I need bin to decimal function, and this function can convert decimal into binary, although with some length that bin to des has a problem, and therefore we need to use the decimal function with the base 2, and this will give our number. But here we have to do something differently, because we need to ignore the first character. So we have something like write. So we use that function here. B for binary. You can use it for the whole thing. Write from B if then from B minus 1. So we only take the characters from the second character on. And now we do if left from B is 0, then it's positive. So if it's 1, this would be true, and then we have minus 1, otherwise we have 1 multiplied. What's the problem here? I need a minus. Yeah. So you see, it's the same. So this one will convert binary into decimal up from the second character on, so here, and then this function, this if function, selects the first character everywhere, the first character, and with the minus makes it a number, and if this number is 1, then the number is negative. So if asked after true values or 1 and 0, it can also handle 1 and 0, and then it's negative, and negative multiplied with decimal gives out the result, or if it's positive, then this would be 0. Then we have a 1, and 1 multiplied with the decimal gives also the searched result. So this was a short little formula. The way to go is the decimal function as bin to des some limitations. Thank you for listening. See you next time with a new challenge.